Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see if the Vivo Y200 can record 4K videos at 60 frames per second or not. Now to check if the Vivo Y200 can record 4K videos at 60 frames per second or not, just open the camera app. Now from here just tap on video and tap on the resolution icon at the top of your smartphone. Now as you can see, there is the option to record 4K videos at 60 frames per second. You can only choose 720p at 30 or 60 frames per second, or you can choose 1080p at 30 frames per second. So the answer is no. The Vivo Y200 cannot record 4K videos at 60 frames per second. And this is how you can check if the Vivo Y200 can record 4K videos at 60 frames per second or not. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.